Mobile applications give you a lot of benefits. They give to access device features and sensors that are normally available to websites. These are the things like camera, offline storage, and information on the device, like what is in the phone's contact list. All the major platforms tends to have very different ways to build mobile applications. They each requires their own tools and languages to deploy their applications and create content for them. A good example is Xcode and Objective-C for building iOS applications, and Eclipse and Java for building Android applications. Some technologies allow you to build hybrid applications or mobile applications that use web technologies. These hybrid applications that can be built mobile application using HTML, CSS and JavaScript that's supported by the device. They also have access to the same device APIs and sensors and information as a regular mobile applications. The user interface is mainly HTML, JavaScript and CSS. These applications can also be deployed and distributed to App Stores or Play Store in the exact way as the other mobile applications. That means for the user, it won't be difference between a hybrid application and a native mobile applications. Mobile web applications provide the functionality of a native app for use of web technologies. They make it easy for the web developers to take advantage of the application ecosystem and build app using the languages and technologies they know. One of the critical part of creating application for device is taking into account the form factor. This includes the size of the screen or the resolution of the device. There are many applications that are built specific to phone or tablets, but there are inherent web technologies that can be used both using mobile web applications. One of the most common tactics for creating content that works across devices is with responsive design. Responsive design let you specify different CSS files for different screen sizes, for different form factors. So instead of creating entirely new content or entirely new applications for smartphone, tablet or desktop, you can reuse content and simply swipe out a new CSS rule depending on the size of the screen. The easiest way to do is by using CSS media queries, which let us specify different set of CSS rule and CSS content for certain parameters like screen size or even device DPI. With mobile web application, you can use media queries in application content, so that our application we will use different style sets depending on the device screen size. Some of the example of when you want to use CSS media queries is when you want to change the design for portrait and landscape, if you want to change the design for a different form factor, if you want to change the design for a tablet, and if you want to alter the design for retina and other high DPI screens. Here we can see the media queries for the standard devices. With this set of rules, we can target different devices with different screens. Breakpoints are the points which our site's content will respond to provide the users with the best possible layout to consume the information. When we want to develop an application from the scratch with all our own stylings, we need to go ahead with CSS media queries. Here we can see on the right hand side how CSS media query is implemented on a link element, and below we can see how CSS media query is written within a style set. Here screen is used for computer screens. There are different media types like all, handheld and TV. All is used for all media types. TV is used for television type devices. Handheld is used for small or handheld devices. Apart from using CSS media queries, we can use few frameworks which makes our page responsive by using few classes and way to design our HTML elements. Frameworks like Bootstrap, Font Awesome, POCSS. There are many more But these are the words which I use frequently for building mobile web applications.